This is the tank that only lasted us 3 months. I have a 4,000 liter tank here. Goes in here. I have the check valve, stop the water from going back in. I'd like this all PPR pipe with the bladder tank. And then just going into one of these. I think it's this one that goes to our bathroom. The rest can use barangay water. And then have it go around the side of the house. I can't get through here. Shit. Have the PPR going down there. Underneath everything there, go along here. And then, if not, I have a big DeWalt with the chisel bits on it that could knock this out. I don't know who did this crap right here. Idiot job. But that would go into here, where I'd like a new faucet put in and a water heater. A water heater can plug into that or wired into that. I can help with that. I'm an electrician too. And have it come up to here and all PPR pipe. Everything PPR pipe from the 4,000 gallon tank to the one bedroom, condemn the others, and then have a new faucet here with